cookie butter latte. How I be every time I edit my intro. Hi. Is it giving fall or is it giving Christmas? I must be confused, you guys. I am so excited to unbox this package from my friends over at Cosmonia. It is going to be a new addition to my future apartment that every freaking girl needs, which is a floor-length mirror. And online, you guys, it looks incredible. It has like 5-star reviews over at Amazon. So I'm definitely gonna have to link you guys in the description box below where you guys can pick one up from their website, but also on Amazon as well. Also, the best part is they were so nice enough and kind enough to give you guys an exclusive discount code for both. So I'll put the Amazon discount code with the links and then also the discount code for their website to shop. So I'm gonna open this up. I've never had a mirror quite like this, and you guys are gonna see why it is so freaking luxe and so unique at a really great affordable price. It's a little heavier than I thought. Did I do it? This thing was so well packaged. This mirror is really easy to assemble. As you can tell, I just have it leaning up against a wall, but what you could also do is actually mount it on the wall, and it has a kickstand at the bottom if you want to stand the mirror upright. And I feel like it would be a great mirror for a living room space, an office, a den, your bedroom, or your wardrobe space as well. Some mirrors will actually shatter into big shards and pieces all over the floor, but if this happens to break, it will just crack into little squares and it's not gonna like fall onto the ground for safety. This mirror also has built-in LED lights for a really nice luxurious feel with 3 different settings. You can do warm, you could do white, you could also do natural. Silver lining provides a crystal clear reflection for ultra clarity to look and feel your best with no distortion. This mirror is crafted with tempered glass, making it 5 times stronger than regular mirrors on the market. The mirror also comes with a 5-year warranty. If you experience any oxidization issues caused by humidity, contact support and they will replace it for free. This is really cool. This is giving me a hotel feel with the mirrors that they have that light up. So it has 3 different LED light settings, and they're also dimmable, which I think makes them even better. You can kind of customize how bright or how low you want the lights to be. There's a white light, a natural light, and then a warm option as well, just depending on your home setting and the feel that you're looking for. But the way that this is just crispy clear, I haven't even cleaned the mirror. I just took off the film. There's no distortion whatsoever with this glass. Like it's so sharp. Definitely check out this mirror if you guys are on the hunt for the perfect floor mirror for your home space in any room. I'll link it in the description so you guys can check it out. cookie butter latte earlier in the week and I posted it to my stories and you guys were like, oh my gosh, show us how to do it. So I just got this cookie butter from Trader Joe's. It is really easily able to dissolve. I just put it into this thing, so whenever I do my espresso, it kind of melts it down since it's warm. So if you like a Christmas inspired latte, definitely try this out. I'm gonna make it iced, so I'm gonna put ice and oat milk with this today. So I'm just gonna brew a double shot, and the machine that I use, I'll link it below. It's on my Amazon storefront. It's pretty much always on sale, so definitely check it out and see if you can get it on sale. This has like been my go-to thing for just enjoying my coffee experience at home without having to break the bank, because $7 lattes just is not in my budget. But you can buy fun stuff like this to make your recipes really exciting at home, but also not boring and basic. This has 107 calories and 2 tablespoons, by the way, and it just has soy and wheat as allergens, so not too crazy, but it does offer a nice bit of sweetness where I don't have to add anything else. So we're gonna do a double shot. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some, ooh, I don't want to spill it. There's some really good crema in there. Should have mixed it in here, but I was getting too excited. But yeah, I'm just gonna stir to dissolve. And I always love a good oat milk. Make sure it's the barista blend. It just tastes better in my opinion, less watered down. And you can actually get some good frothiness. My machine has a milk frother. That's this one here. And you can get some really good foam if you want to do this hot, which I definitely think I will when it's like snowy and like winter and like super cold outside. And there you go. That's how I make my cookie butter latte. So easy at home, guys. It's not too sweet. Honestly, you could probably drizzle a little of this too if you maybe melt it down and thin it out. It's just so good. It tastes like Christmas. Guess who's getting a bath? You're gonna try to run away. Come on, Stinky. Make this quick. Good boy, we can be in and out.
Bruh.
How I be every time I edit my intro. Why is he always barking at somebody? So it looks so much better with the lettuce, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. I do need a little bit of veggies in my life today. And I have 4 tacos here, and I still have enough meat that I made yesterday to have a whole nother meal. So love that. And that was just a pack of ground beef. So I'm gonna munch on this and then get some editing done. And of course I have my little Olipop. So excited. Good morning. I'm basically living in my bonnet at this point. I'm gonna have some tea right now. I've been up since 5 a.m. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so I'm not leaving my house at all. And I'm gonna work on some content that I had filmed earlier in the week. So I'm gonna try and get some videos out for 2 channels today. And I might take a nap because that's what we do. As a homebody, we like to be productive, but I also like to rest when I get a chance to. This thing is so wonky. Is this light I got from Shein? I mean, it's not dark out right now, but at nighttime it does light up my whole room and set the vibes. So Emily in Paris just dropped the second half of the new season, so I'll be here watching the rest of these.
Don't.